Hi there everyone! My name is Caroline and this is Mindfulness Mondays with the Austin Nature and Science Center. Last week on Mindfulness Mondays, we practiced a gratitude meditation, and this week we're going to be looking at another way to practice gratitude. Remember, gratitude is an important thing to practice every day of the year. Making a gratitude jar can also be an excellent way of practicing gratitude. It's nice to take some time every day and think about some of the things that you're grateful for. Write or draw them on a piece of paper and slip them into the jar. When you're having a day where you're feeling really sad, you can open your gratitude jar and read all the things that you've been grateful for in the past. This can help to remind you that not all days are sad. Today, we're going to make a gratitude jar together. You'll need a glass jar. I'm using something that a soup came in. You'll need about a half cup of glue mixed with a tablespoon of water and some colorful tissue paper. The first thing you'll do is paint around your jar with the glue. Next, you're going to apply the tissue paper on top of the glue. Now you'll paint over the tissue paper with the glue. Then you'll let your gratitude jar dry. This is an excellent book that's about how and why to use a gratitude jar. You can find this book read aloud on YouTube or at your local library. After your gratitude jar is dry, take some time to write or draw what you're thankful for on a piece of paper and slip it into the jar. At the end of a long day, you can take some time with your family to look over some of the things that you wrote or drew about. This can be a nice practice to do right before bedtime. I hope you have a thankful week, and I'll see you next Monday. Check out our Facebook page for more videos by the Austin Nature and Science Center.